Reward apps fail for many users because the earning system, reward rules, or payout process are often unclear before people spend their time completing tasks. By the end, you'll know how to identify reward apps that are worth testing, what signs usually point to poor experiences, and how to check a platform before investing your time. The first thing to look at is transparency. A reliable reward app should clearly explain how users earn rewards, what activities qualify, and how rewards can be redeemed. Before creating an account, read the earning rules and payout information so you understand what the app actually requires. The second thing to check is whether the rewards match the effort involved. Some apps offer many activities, but the value of those activities depends on how clearly the reward system works. Compare the time required for each activity with the reward offered before deciding whether the app fits your schedule. The third thing to check is the withdrawal process. A good reward app should explain how users claim rewards and what steps are involved after reaching the required balance. Review the payout section before completing a large number of tasks, because unclear withdrawal rules can create problems later. Another important factor is consistency. A useful reward app should track completed activities correctly and show your progress clearly. Check your account dashboard regularly to confirm that your completed actions are being recorded. User feedback can also reveal common issues. Look for repeated complaints about missing rewards, confusing rules, or problems with account access. Reviews should be used as a guide, but always check the current app information because features and policies can change. The best way to test a reward app is to start small. Complete a few activities, review the experience, and decide whether the process is clear enough to continue. Avoid spending hours on an app before understanding how rewards are earned and withdrawn. The 5 reward apps worth considering are the ones that make their earning process easy to understand, explain their reward rules clearly, and provide a straightforward way to claim what you earn. The biggest difference between a frustrating reward app and a useful one is usually not the number of tasks available. It is how clearly the app explains the entire process from earning to receiving rewards. To summarize, check transparency, review payout rules, and test apps with small amounts of time before committing. Your next step is to compare reward apps based on clarity instead of promises. If this guide helped you find better options, like the video and subscribe for more practical app reviews.